Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Eternal, near and far, from the root to Canada. upon the righteous head. Guide the living, bless the dead. No vanity, no earthly pride. Crown of Zion burn inside. It shine with love, it shine with flame. Every jewel a holy name. Crown of Zion bright and true. Bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away. Crown of Jah forever stay. It come from root of David's line. Crown eternal, crown divine. It mark the child of righteous ways. Keep the faithful all them days. No hand can steal, no tongue can mock. Crown of Zion firm as rock. Glory fall like morning dew. Crown of Jah forever new. It shine upon the prophets old. It tell the story love has told. It guide the people through the flame. Keep them steady, call Jah name. Every star in heaven bright. Crown of Zion share the light. From dawn of time to kingdom come. Crown of love for everyone. Me see the crown in vision clear. It says stand firm, don't live in fear. It bless the poor, it heal the weak. Crown of Zion, hear them speak. It teach the heart to live in peace. It make the war and anger cease. Upon the brow of truth it rests. Crown of Zion ever blessed. When the trumpets start to blow, crown of Zion start to show. It shine the way, it light the road. It lift the weary, ease the load. Forever stand, forever reign. Crown of Jah remove the pain. Glory burn like holy fire. Crown of Zion never tire. Shine bright, shine strong. Crown of Zion all life long. No gold of man, no earthly fame. Crown of Jah forever same. Crown of Zion bright and true. Bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away. Crown of Jah forever stay. From first breath till judgment day. Crown of Zion light the way.
Na 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 na. Zion and ganja, yeah, man. Nightfall come, the world so still. Moon of Zion shine Jah will. Silver glow upon the land. Moonlight blessing by Jah hand. Babylon darkness can't prevail. Moonlight guide the righteous trail. Every beam a holy flame. Moon reflect Jah holy name. Children rest and mothers pray. Moonlight bless the righteous way. Elders chant beneath the glow. Moon of Zion let them know. Not in shadow, not in fear. Moonlight blessing always near. Every cycle strong and true. Moonlight guide both me and you. Ocean tide obey the call. Moonlight blessing shine for all. Traveler lost upon the sea. Moonlight set his spirit free. Every dream of vision clear. Moon of Zion always near. Generations gaze above. Moonlight blessing full of love. Through the valley, through the plain, moonlight shining, joy and pain. Babylon weapon destroy. Moonlight blessing Jah employ. Every star a witness stand. Moon reflect the holy plan. Endless cycle pure and bright. Moon of Zion God unite. Prophecy and poet write. Moon inspire Jah light. Every creature small and great. Moonlight bless the righteous faith. From creation till today. Moonlight guide the holy way. Eternal promise never cease. Moon of Zion shine in peace. Yeah. Yeah. Guide the night for me and you. Shining silver, pure and strong. Moon of Zion all along. Forever glowing, never fall. Moonlight bless the people all. Na Zion reggae, yeah, man. Na 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 na. Me rise up before the break of day. Hear the chant in a distant way. Jah whisper plant the seed today. So me dig the earth and pray. Me feel the sun kiss me brow. Jah timing always know. Roots of tomorrow start from small. Grow strong and bless them all. Me plant for the youth, for the poor man dream. Me water it with love, me keep it clean. Me see the land dry but me still sow. Cause me know Jah love make things grow. Every tear that drop in pain turn to blessing, wash the stain. Me chant for the heart, them blind. Open up them mind. Me not trust Babylon gold. Me treasure pure and old. The earth speak through the trees. Son, live in peace. Me hands dirty with style of life. Still me free from strife. Each root me touch a prayer. Jah dey everywhere. Me try through valley of doubt, but me no bout. Faith a me staff, courage me guide. Jah walk by me side. Me see the people lost in pain. Try escape the rain. Me tell them hold on still. Jah have the will. Me give me all for the children rise. Me see the truth in all them eyes. Them spirit pure, them light divine. The next generation shine. No greed, no war, me teach. Only love in reach. Me see the roots connect. Me show respect. Roots of tomorrow grow. From the love we sow. Water it with peace and care. Jah love in the air. Roots of tomorrow strong. Right from wrong. No system can divide. Jah live inside. Oh, me remember my grandmother words. Still echo, still hurt. She said, my son, never forget we reap what we said. So me plant the wisdom deep, even when me weak, the roots twist and bind. The whole mankind, me see the world still fight. Me shine me light, me build with faith and hand. Jah bless me land, me chant me psalm at night till the stars shine bright. Me no need no fame, Jah call me name. Me hear the thunder roll, test the soul. Me stand still, no shake, Jah no forsake. Every storm just clear the air, make the roots prepare. Tomorrow no come by luck, we build it up. Me look to the sky and smile, walk my mile. Me no worry about the Babylon fall. Jah justice for all. Me no rush the time fi come. Me chant till it done. Me plant the seed again fi heal the pain. And roots of tomorrow grow from the love we sow. Water it with peace and care. Jah love in the air. Roots of tomorrow strong. Right from wrong, no system can divide. Jah live inside. So when me gone, the song remain. Flow like rain. Roots of tomorrow bloom in every room. Jah light forever shine. Oh, it all divine. All divine.
Oh yeah. Aye, smoke ganja and Zaya reggae. Aye, aye, aye. Me close me eyes, me hear the drum. Jah kingdom come. Why not whisper Rasta song where me belong? Light shine bright on my face. Jah embrace. Me lift his spirit strong. Walk Jah road long. Me soul eternal flame, no shame. Every trial me survive. Keep love alive. The world may turn cold, but me heart bold. Me see the greed take hold, but Jah story told. No silver chain me wear, freedom me share. Me chant for every man free. Unity, me meditate on the hill. Jah will, yeah, Rasta soul eternal. Life universal, love never done. Under the sun, Rasta soul divine. Forever shine. Me chant for peace and light through the night. Through the night. Me standing at the circle strong, sing Jah song. Me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Blessings come. Me draw the path of grace in every place. Me heal through word and sound. Love all around. Me soul no fear no end. Life transcend. Each breath me take for Jah. Pure hallelujah. Spirit never fail. Jah foundation lay. Me dwell in higher state. True Jah gate. Rasta soul eternal. Life universal. Love never done. Under the sun. Rasta soul divine. Forever shine. Me chant for peace and light through the night. Through the night. We fade into Jah breeze. Soul at ease. Rasta soul eternal flame. Forever the same.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na. Bible pan table, urban and two things them always understand. Word and smoke in harmony, ancient psalm and remedy. Me read one line, me take one drop. Words open door, me never saw. Scripture breathe when smoke pass through. Old text start, feel brand new. Me not twist it, word for pride. Me let it speak from inside. Smoke slow down, me racing mind. So meaning me can truly find. Some man pray loud, some man shout. Me pray silent, inward route. Herb no replace, faith or trust. It just remove the mental rust. Me chant salmanda, breath so low. Let the echo gently flow. Smoke rise like incense stream. Carry prayer beyond mid-dream. Smoke and psalms inna the night. Calm the heart, adjust the sight. Smoke and psalms, all and true. Word and herb, pull me through. Me no preach for crowd applause. Me read fi learn Jah laws. Herb teach patience, text teach love. Both point me up above. When doubt knock on me door, me read one verse, then blaze one more. Clarity, return again, like cool rain, pan thirsty men. Me see religion turn to show, but faith grow best when it's slow. Smoke no holy, book no magic, but heart sincere, make both effective. Me walk humble, no claim throne. Just seek truth, for me own. Smoke fade, but the psalm remain. Guide me joy, guide me pain. No blind faith, no empty hype. Just quiet, truth me type. Herb and word in balance roll. Discipline, preserve the soul. Smoke and psalms inna the night. Calm the heart, adjust the sight. Smoke and psalms, all and true. Word and herb, pull me through. When the candle burn out low, and the smoke got nowhere go, psalms still echo in me head. Guide me steps, where me tread. Yeah, yeah. Yet ya join me beside me coast. Yeah, yeah. Yet ya join me. Yet ya join me beside me coast.
Na na na. Clock tick loud, but me heart stay slow. Me nah race when me nah need go. Time a teacher, not touch wet, shoot not sweat. Them one answer fast like headline news. Quick reaction, shallow views. But truth nah live on surface talk. You prefer quiet walk. Me see lies, dress up nice and clean, but them crack. When sun intervene, me choose patience over rush. Let meaning flush. Every season heal, mask away. What fake can't stay. Truth heavy, so it move with care. No need glare. Me watch time expose disguise. Open eyes, revelation. Some knowledge come only when ready. Heart steady. Me see them speak before them know confusion grow. Me rather listen, observe, align. Let truth shine. Truth no fear, instead shall light. It survive. Lies tremble when questions slow. Truth glow. Me match me actions to me words. Let silence speak louder than verse. Time by truth like sacred ground. Till right moment found. Truth don't rush. Calm and deep. Promises keep. Truth don't rush. Pure and clean. Evergreen. When life fade and lies decay, truth stay. Truth stay. Long after voices turn, truth still stands strong.
Rasta Marcus is so high, man. Hear the thunder roll so deep. Voice of Jah awake the sleep. Shake the mountain, shake the land. Thunder sound the righteous hand. Babylon tremble, fear the call. Thunder break them system wall. Every clap a prophecy. Thunder roar eternally. Children stop and listen clear. Thunder say Jah always near. Elder lift them hands so high. Thunder echo cross the sky. Not of terror, not of hate. Thunder seal Jah righteous fate. Every roll a holy flame. Thunder glorify Jah name. Desert quake and forest cry. Thunder echo far and high. Ocean wave and rivers flow. Thunder let the nations know. No false king can hide away. Thunder of Jah here to stay. Generation hear the sound. Thunder shake the battleground. Prophet chant and priest proclaim. Thunder speak Jah mighty name. Babylon weapon can compete. Thunder call make truth complete. Every ear must hear the sign. Thunder voice is pure divine. From creation till the end. Thunder guiding foe and friend. Flame of fire, flash of light. Thunder break the darkest night. No corruption, no deceit. Thunder guide the righteous feet. Everlasting, strong and true. Thunder sound for me and you. Eternal voice, eternal song. Thunder roar the whole day long. Roll, roll, mighty sound. Shake the sky and shake the ground. Thunder call, no man can hide. Thunder voice, for Zion guide. Thunder of Jah, whole and free. Sound of truth for you and me. Shake the nation, break the chain. Thunder voice forever reign. Eternal calling, strong and sure. Thunder of Jah shall endure.
Rasta man is so high, man. Me sit beside the flowing stream. Just show me vision in a dream. Water whisper ancient song. Me spirit strong. Every drop a healing prayer. Love fill the air. Me close me eye. Me soul align. Flowing Zion time me walk. Long road of faith and fight. Search for truth, find light. Them tell me hope done gone, but me still hold on. Me see the tears from people face. Them searching grace, yet the river wash them pain. Life again. Me see the children play by shore. Laugh forevermore. Them not know the chains before. Them born for soar. The river carry story deep. Secrets Jah keep. Every ripple chant his name. Eternal flame. River of Zion, flow through me soul, make me heart whole. Carry me spirit to the light, wash away night. River of Zion, gentle and strong, right all wrong. Flow through the land of man, part of Jah plan. Me dip me hand in sacred stream. Feel Jah redeem, water cold but fire burn. Truth return, me see reflection, see me pass. Fade at last, Jah mercy deep like ocean wide. Love inside, me follow river through the plain. Through joy and pain, it led me home to holy place. Full of grace, the fish them swim, the birds them sing. Creation king, all life flow one way same. Jah name, me no fear no drought, no storm. River keep me warm, from the mountain to the sea. Jah carry me, when me weak me call his song. It make me strong. River of Zion, flow through me soul, make me heart whole. Carry me spirit to the light, wash away night. River of Zion, gentle and strong, right all wrong. Flow through the land of man, part of Jah plan. Flow don't ever end, me eternal friend. Jah truth like water clear, always near. Me rise, me bow, me give Jah praise for the endless days. River of Zion run forevermore, me heart secure. Hey. Like breeze pan river, every step make me heart beat shiver. Crown pan her head, spirit so divine. She now wear gold, but she always shine. King Ital chanting Psalms 23. Me empress guide me spiritually. She no bow down to vanity. Jamaica pure in simplicity. She a the queen of me temple, fire of me night. She light me chalice and hold me tight. She teach me patience, she keep me wise. With just one gaze from her soulful eyes. Yeah, she a roots gal, pure true, she had the queen of the natural vibes. In a this chaos, she helped me survive. Me empress rise before the sun, meditate long for the day begun. She plant the seeds, she know the land, she build the future with her bare hand. She read scriptures like lullaby and teach the youth them not to lie. Me love how she not chase trend, but live with honor, start to end. Many woman me see, but she stand alone, with lioness heart and spirit grown. She no need crown fi rule me throne. Her vibe more rich than gem and stone. We burn herb under the moonlight. She speak truth, me feel right. No drama, just roots and care. Me give thanks for Jah answer prayer. She a the queen of me temple, reason of me song. With her by me side, me stand strong. She roll up wisdom, burn the shame. She call me king, she know me name. Yeah, she a roots gal humble.
Na Zion ganja, yeah, man. In a silence of the field, wings of the ground reveal the shield. Every feather born of clay, lift the soul and clear the way. No machine, no man-made plan can stop the flight of earth to man. Root and air, them intertwine. Wings of soil, divine design. Held a kneel and touch the dust. Wings of ground, he hold in trust. Every seed a dream reborn. Fly from dust to sacred morn. No corruption reach so low. Wings of ground in secret grow. From the dirt to endless sky, spirit rise, them never die. Poet write in gentle tone. Wings of ground make word his home. Every phrase a flutter bright, lifting truth from dark to light. Babylon sink in greed and fear, but wings of ground still reappear. Every motion soft yet grand, carry peace across the land. Farmer soul is faith so strong, wings of ground still sing the song. Every harvest bring reward, blessed by Jah, eternal Lord. Even storm can't hold them down. Wings of ground where nature's crown. Every root and every leaf carry message of belief. Child them dance upon the plain. Wings of ground release the chain. Every laughter shake the tree. Spirit whispers silently. No despair, no fear remain. Wings of ground erase the pain. Every breath a holy vow. Earth itself is flying now. Fly, fly deep and low. Wings of ground make spirit grow. Rise, rise, pure and free. Carry truth and harmony. Wings of the ground, bold and wide. Lift the heart from deep inside. Never fading, never still. Wings of Jah, obey his
aye, aye, aye. Aye, aye, aye. Aye, aye, aye. Footstep echo and gravel slow. Old road rhythm start to flow. Dust pan boot, sun pan skin. Ancient journey me walk again. Me nah follow crowd or trend. Me follow path we never been. Old road carved by time and pain. Still it teach me how to stand. Ganja scent mixed with dirt and sweat. Memory me can't forget. Every mile me walk alone, but me spirit full grown. Them pave new road with shiny sign, but them forget the old design. Old road rough but it honest. Tell your truth, no promise. Me blaze one spliff and keep me pace. Feel it reading in a me base. Each step heavy but it sure. Old road make me endure. Old road rhythm beat so slow. Carry me where me feet go. Old road rhythm rough but true. Every stone remember you. Missy footprints fade and cross. Some man win, some man lost. Me no judge the way them trod. Every soul answer to God. Herb smoke drift cross sunset line. Tell me patience conquer time. Old road teach me one main thing. Slow steps still reach everything. When night drop and stars appear, old road voice me start to hear. It say, old faith no rush the end. Every bend birth new friend. Me sit me blaze, me give thanks for the cracks and broken planks. Old road still under me feet. Every scar make journey sweet. No shortcut to the truth. Old road feed the youth. Dust and herb and steady breath. Teach me life, not fear of death. Old road rhythm beat so slow. Carry me where me feet go. Old road rhythm rough but true. Every stone remember you. When me reach the end one day, old road still in me way. Even when me rest me feet, its rhythm still beat. Its rhythm still beat.
Da 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 da. Ay 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 ay. Ya la 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 la. Ay 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 ay. Ay 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 ay. Radio crackle, needle drop. Old tune never stop. Dust on speaker, vibe still pure. Real sound endure. The music fast but empty now. Flash and noise know how. Me search for rhythm with a spine. Something timeless, something prime. Me hear the echo from long ago. Roots still grow. Vinyl spin like life itself. Truth can't sit on shelf. Every lyric carving stone. Street and yard and home. Me Me smoke a draw and listen deep. Memories me keep. Old soul, frequency tune me mind. Different space, different time. Old soul, frequency lock me in. Let the healing begin. Me hear struggle without scream. Hope hiding in between. No art or love, no sugar coat. Just message float. Music talk like elder friend. Guide me to the end. Me see the youth them hungry for real. More than likes and real. So me pass the tune, pass the light. Keep the fire bright. Frequency never out of style. Worth the while. Some sound fade like smoking rain. True sound remain. When bassline hit me chest, me know said this the best. Old soul, frequency tune me mind. Different space, different time. Old soul, frequency lock me in. Let the healing begin. When the world too loud for hear, me tune right here. Old soul play till the end. True sound never bend.
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Me hear the wind sing clear, freedom near. Drum beat echo through town, chains fall down. Me lift me voice for the cause, no pause. Song of freedom loud and high, reach the sky.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Me born fi chant truth loud, no bow to crowd. Me voice me only weapon strong. Me chant long, me call out Babylon lie till it die. Freedom song me melody, set we free. Them try silence me sound, still rebound. Me spirit like fire blaze through the haze. No fear me carry no shame. John name me chant down wicked pride. Side by side, song of freedom. Play again, heal the pain. Song of freedom, pure and high, never die. Me hear the people start to sing, voices ring. Unity spread through the street, heartbeat. Song of freedom touch the soul, make we all. Me feel the energy grow, overflow. Me see the youth lift them hand, take a stand. Me see the elder wipe him eye, no more cry. Freedom rhythm no stop, top to top. Jah tune the key of peace, sweet release. Me no sing for fame or gold, but story told. Me sing for justice rise, open eyes. Song of freedom loud and near, me persevere. Song of freedom, play again, heal the pain. Song of freedom, pure and high, never die. Song of freedom, carry on till night gone. Song of freedom, strong and true, bless me and you.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay.
So when the silence strike control, sing from soul, freedom tune forever play, till judgment day.
Na na na, Zion reggae, yeah man. Na na na, Zion reggae, yeah man. Keep a walking, shadows glow. Guard the flame we seldom know. Every night he light the way, so the lost can find the day. No applause, no fame, no crown. Keep on, never turn around. Every step a quiet vow. To hold the truth we need somehow. Elder tell of keeper's path. Born of mercy, free from wrath. Every candle small yet bright. Keep a guide through endless night. No man see the work he do, but your reward him pure and true. Every whisper calm and kind. Keep a heal the troubled mind. Child them ask who light the star. Keep a smile from near not far. Every flame a story told. Keeper's hand so strong, so bold. Babylon fade, but still he stay. Keep a guard the righteous way. No corruption, no deceit. Keep a heart forever be. Na 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 na, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Go with dream and vision clear. Keep a song he start to hear. Every note a glowing prayer. Keep a spirit everywhere. When the night seem endless long, keep a hum the ancient song. From creation calm and wise. Keep a shine where darkness lies. Morning come and light reveal. Keepers work beneath this steel. Every shadow fade away. Keep a bring the golden day. Everlasting, true and free. Keep a guard eternity. Every soul he helped to rise. Keep a song still fill the skies. Shine, shine, sacred flame. Keep a call the holy name. Guide, guide everyone till the work of love is done. Keep her song strong and pure. Carry faith that will endure. Never fading, never gone. Keep us light forever strong. Ever shining, calm and wide. Keep her walk by your side. From the dawn to setting sun. Keep us work is never done. Na na na, Zion reggae, yeah, man.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh yeah, yeah. Early down breeze kiss me skin. Cool vibration drifting in. River soft like ancient song. Guiding me spirit steady and strong. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Aye. Early dawn breeze kiss me skin. Cool vibration drifting in. River soft like ancient song. Guiding me spirit steady and strong. Me walk by the bank where truth reside. Hear distant drums echo worldwide. Footsteps follow the natural beat. Wisdom rise from beneath me feet. No chain can bind a peaceful mind. The current gentle, pure, refined.
better day sure. Coming time, me sit on a rock and breathe again. Wash off burden, wash off pain. Sunlight dance on the water face. Nature remind me about your grace. Birds fly high in perfect sync. Teach me deeper ways fitting. In every glimmer, me see hope grow. Flowing free like the river flow. Golden river flow, carry me soul. Lead me to a higher goal. Guide me steps through night and day. Show me love in every way. Golden river flow, wide and clear. Wash away doubt and fear. Hold me steady, keep me true. Let your light shine through. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. The water whispers stories old. Tales of courage, brave and bold. Ancestors chant through breeze and air. Tell me always to stay aware. Me listen deep to the message strong. Every lesson help me move along. Flowing wisdom shape me path. Cool me spirit, ease me wrath. Me see fishermen cast them line. Living simple, feeling fine. Village children laugh and play. Blessed presence fill the day. Harmony rise like natural fire, lifting every heart higher. Me give thanks for all me see. Golden river set me free. No rush, no fight, just calm within the light. Every current guide the heart. Every ripple play a part. Bless the journey, bless the flow. Teach me everywhere to grow. Golden river flow, carry me soul. Lead me to a higher goal. Guide me steps through night and day. Show me love in every way. Golden river flow, wide and clear. Wash away doubt and fear. Hold me steady, keep me true. Let your light shine through. Why, yeah, 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 yeah. Why, yeah, yeah. Why? When the sun fade low and slow, me still hear the river glow. Peace remain inside me heart. Flow with life from end to start. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Me roll me thought them in a paper tin. Let the reasoning begin. No crowd noise, no fake display. Just truth and urban time to stay. High grade burn but my mind stay clear. Elevation not mere cheer. Me nah bun fi boss our style. Me bun fi reason sit a while. Words them careful, slow and wise. Smoke open inner eyes. Every topic we are like scale. Truth prevail, ego fail. Them use the earth fi run and hide, but me use it fi look inside. Me ask hard question, no disguise. Why man suffer? Why man rise? Smoke no answer but reveal what me heart already feel. High grade no loaded calm, like cool rain pan heated palm. High grade reasoning tonight, lift the mind above the Just truth and urban time for stay. High grade burn, but my mind stay clear. Elevation, not mere cheer. Me nah bun fi boast our style. Me bun fi reason sit a while. Words them careful, slow and wise. Smoke open inner eyes. Every topic we like scale. Truth prevail, ego fail. Them use the earth fi run and hide, but me use it fi look inside. Me ask hard question, no disguise. Why man suffer? Why man rise? Smoke no answer but reveal what me heart already feel. High grade no loaded calm, like cool rain pan eat it palm.
High grade reasoning tonight. Lift the mind above the fight. High grade reasoning so deep.
Awake the soul from restless sleep.
High grade reasoning tonight. Lift the mind above the fight. High grade reasoning so deep.
Awake the soul from restless sleep. Me see brethren laugh and share. Circle build from honest care. No loud mouth, no empty talk. Each word walk where thought can walk. Herb no turn man foolish. Expose who truly foolish. If your heart clean, mind aligned. Smoke just amplify the sign. Me burn one draw, then pause and think. Before me speak, before me link. Silence teach me more than sound. Truth hide where calm is found. Reasoning no rush fi win. It sit with doubt till light step in. High grade keep me humble, grounded. Never lost, never bounded. No addiction, no escape. Just conscious use, correct shape. Urban mind in equal role. Balance keep the whole man whole.
High grade reasoning tonight. Lift the mind above the fight. High grade reasoning so deep.
Awake the soul from restless sleep.
High grade reasoning tonight.
I grade,
Lift the mind above the fight.
I grade,
High grade reasoning so deep.
I grade. I grade,
Reasoning tonight.
I grade.
Reasoning so deep.
When the paper ash turn gray, we still all words we say. Reasoning linger long after smoke. Truth remain no joke.
Na na na, ganja and Zion reggae. Oh yeah. Me rise pon morning breeze, heart at ease. Jah whisper inna me ear, fear no fear. Oh, me step through valley, me stand tall. Hear Jah call, me spirit roar, me voice declare. Truth everywhere. Oh, me see the wicked build them throne pon people bone. Them rule with lies and golden chain. Spread the pain. Oh, but me no bow, me no crawl. Me hear Jah call, lion heart within me chest. Me manifest. Oh, me see the sufferer in a street, no shoes pon feet. Them cry for mercy, cry for bread. Still them share. Oh, me share me herb, me share me song. Right the wrong, me chant for justice, chant for peace. forevermore. Oh, me walk through fire, yet me cool. Love me rule, me teach the youth fi know them worth. Rise from earth. Oh, them call me rebel, call me wild, but Jah child, lion spirit, guide me tone. Me no alone. Oh, me hear the drums from long ago, still them flow, ancestral power inna me blood, like river flood. Oh, them chains can't hold no more. Freedom door, lion roar through storm and flame. In Jah name. Oh, me no fear no king, no crown. Them tumble down, truth like fire, can't hide. It reside. Me roar for justice, roar for love. Send message above. Every roar a secret call. Unite we all. Oh, yeah. Lion of truth, stand firm and strong. Right every wrong. Roar for the people, roar for the land. By Jah hand. Lion of truth, never fade. Righteous made, guard the weak, lift the poor, forevermore. You know, lion of truth, roar again, wash the pain, freedom make go through the plane, break the chain. Oh, oh, me rest me mind in Jordan, peace again. When the world forget the way, me still pray. Oh, yeah, lion of truth, roar, eternal flame.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion is the reggae king, yeah, man. Open wide the holy door, gates of Zion evermore. Call the faithful, call the meek, bless the strong and lift the weak. No God of hate, no wall of pain, only love can here remain. Every nation, every creed, find in Zion what them need. Gates of Zion open wide, let the people come inside. Flow with mercy, flow with grace. Welcome to Jah holy place. It shine with pearl, it shine with flame. Every gate a holy name. It call the children home to stay. Guide the tribe along the way. No sword, no chain can bar the road. Gates of Zion is the Lord. Every step a chant of peace. Every turn a sweet release. It's open wide both night and day. Never close, no man can say. It guard the path, it guard the song. Keep the people